Hello, I'm Harvey from Lloyd Land Rover in Stockton. Today we've got a very nice example of a Land Rover Defender 90 in stock. This one in particular is a D300, that's a 3 litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower HSE variant, so it is that top specification level. Finished in a lovely Pangea Green. Starting at the front, you can see we've got the black exterior pack, that's the black badging, the black grille and all the lower quarter of the bumper. And then if you come to the side profile, being a X-Dynamic, one of the points you do get again is the gloss black finishes around the edges. This car does come with a very expensive option. It's the 20-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. Being an X-Dynamic as well, you do get a black contrast roof, privacy glass and black roof rail, so this car comes fully loaded as such. Coming all the way to the rear, another option this car does have is an electrically deployable tow bar. Again, being an X-Dynamic, you also get them two rear towing eyes. And then if we look into the rear of the 90, you get some boot, a generously sized amount. This one, again, with the electronically deployable tow bar, you can control it from the rear as well as the air suspension as well. And then if we jump into the front of the car and go through some of the technology. At the time of recording, this car's only done 10,433 miles, so it's well within its infancy. Digital driver's display, bigger screen being a HSE. Let's turn that down. Heated and cooled seats, so you do get the option of climate seats on this, memory electric seats, and of course a panoramic roof. Now this one isn't just a fixed one, it's a sliding one, so again that is a nice option to have. Being a HSE as well, it's more about the little details. You also do get the upgraded Windsor leather, so it is a more refined interior as well. So again, should you be looking for a Pangea Green Defender 90, look no further. This one's available, ready to sell, priced to sell, sorry, are ready for immediate delivery. Feel free to inquire online or call us on 01642 644 444.